It smells really good.
It is so good.
I'm so hungry.
Yeah?
Girl, can I have...
Can you have what? Can you have some of this? Nah. You're bugging. When I have food and someone is inquiring about what I'm eating or they paying too much attention to my food, it really frustrates the hell out of me. And I know that sounds weird, but here's my thing. Like, I be having long days, and then when I'm hungry, I just want to be in peace and eat my food. I don't want somebody to be like, ooh, what are you eating? Your food smells good. Can I have some? No. Absolutely not. Like, I love food. I don't play when it comes to my food. So let me give you a scenario. You at work? It's lunch break, and you're ready to eat your food and be in peace. And then you got a greedy-ass coworker like, that smells real good. What you eating, girl? Yes, like I am so hungry. That's nice. I don't care. I'm hungry too. That's why I'm here, eating my food in peace. I don't need you to be worried about what I'm eating and paying attention to my food. Mind your business. Because unless you chip some money into my food, maybe you can have some. Actually, no. If you chipped in, you can have some. But don't worry about me and my food. Mind your business. But guys, if you like what you see, and you like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Hey, mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye.